Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Silonn Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. The Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker comes in at $199, which reflects its premium features and design. If you're on a tight budget, the Silonn might be the better choice. But if you're willing to invest more for added functionality, the Aeitto could be worth it. When it comes to portability, the Silonn Ice Maker features a dedicated carry handle, making it easy to transport for camping trips or gatherings. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker, while slightly heavier, has a compact design that allows it to fit in tighter spaces. If you plan to move your ice maker frequently, the Silonn's carry handle is a significant advantage. Both ice makers feature self-cleaning functions, but they differ in monitoring capabilities. The Silonn uses indicator lights to show water and ice levels, while the Aeitto boasts dual viewing windows that allow you to see the ice-making process and check the storage level at a glance. This feature can enhance user experience, especially in busy settings. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Aeitto ice makers offer impressive performance with their ability to produce ice quickly. The choice ultimately comes down to your budget and the features that matter most to you. If you prefer a more affordable option with portability, go for the Silonn. However, if you value premium features and design, the Aeitto is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.